Hello student, in the social science of class 10th, we are starting the first chapter of political science. The chapter name is power sharing. In the modern democracies, power sharing is essential because if the power vested in the hand of individual or the grip of the people, that the basic necessities of the democracy will not fulfill. Here we are starting the chapter of power sharing. In this chapter, given the two example of different nation, Sri Lanka and the Belgium, on the basis of these two stories, we will look the difference of the power sharing. First, the Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is the nation of few kilometers far away from the Tamil Nadu coast. It is the neighboring country of the India. Sri Lanka emerged as an independent nation in the 1948 from the Dutch colony. Sri Lanka was also the colony of the European country as like the India of the British. The ethnic composition of the Sri Lanka is the typical. Here the difference is basis on the linguistic. In the population of the Sri Lanka, majority population speak Sinhala language and they are mostly Buddhist. 18% population speak Tamil language and they are belong to Hindus and Muslims, and the Sri Lankan Tamil, native Tamil of Sri Lanka 13% and the Indian Tamil 5%. During the plantation, the laborer went to the Sri Lanka from India. They are called the Sri Lankan Tamil. These has the average of 5% and 7% are Christian in the both communities. In 1956, the Sri Lankan government passed an act to adopt the policy of majoritization. Majoritization means the rule of majority community. In the 1956, government passed an act and declared the Sinhala language is an official language of Sri Lanka and adopted the preferential policies for the Sinhala applicant in the government job and the admission at university level. And Sri Lankan constitution amended many times and Buddhism religion given the protection by the government. These make the separation from the Tamil field that they have no rights and equality in Sri Lanka. They demanded for a long time to the equal participation of government job and the admission in university level and the participation or power sharing in government, but the Buddhist government, Sri Lankan government denied As a result, between the two communities, Sinhala and the Tamil, distrust make the violence, and the civil war occurred in the Sri Lanka. Thousands of people has been killed in Sri Lanka in the civil war of both the community. Now, the Belgium is a small country of European continent, small as our state of Haryana, and it has the population of just over 1 crore. The ethnic composition of the Belgium is most critical. Belgium has the nation boundaries of Germany, France, Netherlands, and the German. In this country, the three main languages are spoken by the people of Belgium: German, Dutch, and French. 59% of the population speak Dutch. They living in the Flemish region. You can think also the province or a state. 40% speaks French, living in Wallonia region, and remaining 1% speak German. Here in this country also the differences on the basis of linguistic or language, although they are follow the same religion. These are mostly Christian, but the difference is basis on the language. Dutch and French. Dutch means the people of living in Netherlands, they speak the Dutch language. And the capital city of the Belgium is Brussels. 80% people in Brussels speak French and 20% Dutch. For the earliest time, the minority community of French people, they were developed. Dutch speaking people backward in the field of economic and the education. They demanded the equal participation in the government and equal opportunity like as French. The leaders of the Belgium accommodate this diversity and given the power sharing to the French and Dutch speaking people equally. Then how the accommodation occur in the Belgium? Point number 1, at the central level, they given the equal participation of both community, French and Dutch. Equal ministers take an oath in central government, and for the different region, Wallonia and Flemish region, make the province government. Many power of the central government given to the state government, and state government are not subordinate to the central government. It means the state government of the Belgium, Wallonia and Flemish region has their own rights. They can run the government as they wish. And in the Brussels, capital city of Belgium, has the separate government and equal representation given in the Brussels. One more thing, they also make the community government for spread their culture and secure their language and culture and tradition. There was no matter where the different community living in this region. Thus, according to the of two example, Sri Lanka and Belgium, we see that in the Sri Lankan government not given the sharing in power, that civil war make the huge devastating, and the government of Belgium given the sharing of power both the community, then there were no problem. According to the example, we see that power sharing is most necessary in the democratic government, because power sharing is basic spirit of democracy. Now in Hindi